Okay, very good afternoon to everyone. So now I would like to explain to you about the beautiful village in the state of Meghalaya. And the name of the village is Diskyang. It is in the district of Nongstoin and it is in West KHASI Hills. So now I'm going to explain to you each of the location. So first I would like to start towards my left side. So here, as you can see this side, like there are so many trees and so many bamboos, and obviously this village is very beautiful. And I would like you all, like to visit here, and I would like to encourage you all to come as a tourist spot. And this place is obviously it is a very beautiful. And below this obviously there is a water, and it is a natural. So the people, they used to take their bucket and they used to carry the water from here for drinking and other facilities. So the main reason why people are coming here, the reason is that there is no proper water facilities in their house. Since it is a rural area, it is not a city. So the people, like, they used to come here, to take the water from here for drinking facilities and other facilities. And towards my right side, as you can see, these children over here, like they were washing their vessels. They are doing their hard work. So the main reason why they are coming here is that, as I have mentioned you earlier, that there is no proper water facilities in their house. So, though the road is not up proper, though they find it difficulties, but they have no option, and they have to come here for their work to complete and to fulfill their house. Thank you.